Alright guys, so this is a Skits Deere snowblower on the backhoe. This goes a lot faster than this. It's kind of funny how that's working, but the blade in the back there is going a lot faster than what it looks like on here. It's spinning pretty fast, but that's kind of funny. Looks like it's not even going in at all. This will go a lot faster once I give it some RPMs. But basically how I got this assembled here, and I've used this for 4 winters now and it works fine. So I had some welders make this for me. You can see there, it's a half-inch steel that I bolted on and welded to it. That fork where my backhoe bucket will slide in. And it shifts a little bit around, but if I tighten these ratchets up, it won't shift at all. I kind of like it though, because when I'm going on the dirt road here, it kind of goes with the contour of the ground. My hydraulic lines.